Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jennifer here of JennySueMakeup.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel today. I really appreciate your smiling faces being here. So I want to go ahead and start off this video by just saying thank you to a couple of my new subscribers that I have noticed that have joined onto the JennySue Makeup family. I really appreciate it. Maybe it's because I'm starting to do more frequent videos now. I'm trying. So I have seen some new subscribers popping up. So thank y'all so much for being here. It really means a lot. So let's go ahead and get started about today's topic. It is actually going to be one that might sound a little basic, but it's actually a topic that I get questioned about a lot, and that is, how do I apply eyeliner? Today, it's not going to be about like a crazy winged eye or even like a smoky, dramatic eye. These are just going to be basic eyeliner tips that everybody can use no matter what your age is. I'm going to give you one trick that you might not be using, which might be why your eyeliner isn't working out the way that you want it to. So literally the tricks that I'm about to show you can work for any age group. It can be for 40-year-olds like me, it can be for 60, 70-year-olds, or it can be for the teens and 20s. This is gonna be a good tutorial for everybody. I'm gonna start off with the tools that I use, then we're gonna jump right into how I got this eyeliner look right here. Obviously my eyeliner's already done, but we're about to backtrack and you're gonna get to see me do my eyeliner from start to finish, so there'll be no questions as to how I got this look. Y'all ready to go? Let's get started. Let's go ahead and start off with what tools you're gonna need first to implement your eyeliner like a pro. Obviously, you're gonna need your eyeliner, whatever kind of eyeliner that you want. Today, I'm gonna use just a regular eyeliner pencil, no liquids, no gels. So for this tutorial, it's all gonna be about just the basic eyeliner. I do love to use a waterproof one. I feel like a waterproof formula is best for longevity, for it to stay put and not smudge all over your eye, which nobody wants that once they put on their eyeliner. So you gotta get your eyeliner color. Today, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil in the color gray. Next, you are going to need a sharpener. A lot of people forget that they need eyeliner sharpeners because if you have a dull point to your eyeliner, it just doesn't work out. So you need to be able to sharpen that pencil. So have your eyeliner sharpener ready. You'll need an eyeliner makeup brush. So this can be in really two forms. You can have just a skinny tipped eyeliner brush here with the skinny little tip, or you can have an angled, also very thin eyeliner brush right here. So really it's kind of your choice. Today I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown eyeliner. It's the ultra fine eyeliner brush that I've had for years. This is one of my favorites. So this is the one I'm going to be using today, but occasionally I'll use an angled one. So really it's kind of your choice. Q-tips, can't hurt to have Q-tips around if you make a mistake. They're always handy for something. This is probably where you might not be prepared for this, but you do need a matching eyeshadow for the eyeliner pencil that you're going to be using. So like I said, I'm using a gray pencil today. So I'm using the gray eyeshadow out of this Urban Decay Smoky palette. I think this is actually already discontinued, but I love it anyway. So I'm gonna be using the gray shadow here in this eyeshadow palette to go along with my eyeliner pencil. Now, one thing that you will not see in the video is before I did my eyeshadow, I actually used an eyelid primer before I did my actual eyeshadows. So that might be something you want to invest in if you've never used an eyelid primer before. It helps for everything to just stay put and stay long, and really recommend it. This is a Morphe eyelid primer if you're curious. So what I do is I make sure that my eyeliner is sharpened with my pencil sharpener, get it to a nice point. Sometimes I will take it and I will actually rub it on my hand to warm up the tip of the eyeliner. As you can see, I've already done this on my hand here and I can barely get this off. That's the great thing about this L'Oreal Infallible pencil, is it does not budge. So it hasn't gone anywhere, but that kind of warms up the pencil before you get started. Then you can start from the interior of your eye, and you want to start and get as close to that lash line as possible. And I like to do almost little dashes along the lash line and then kind of connect them. A lot of people just try to do one long straight line and that doesn't really work out. So just do a couple little dashes and then connect them. Make sure to keep the eyeliner real thin right in towards the tear duct area, and you can let it progressively get a little thicker as you go towards the outer corners of the lash line, and just really try to rub as closely into that lash line as possible. Then once you've done your eyeliner on the upper lid, you're gonna go ahead and take that eyeliner brush. You're gonna dip it right in the matching eyeshadow color. So if you did a navy eyeliner, you're gonna wanna put it in a navy eyeshadow. If you did a brown eyeliner, you wanna dip it in a brown eyeshadow, if that makes sense. So you'll take your eyeliner brush, dip it in the matching eyeshadow, then go directly on top of that eyeliner and just start smudging. This is the best trick ever because inevitably nobody can get their eyeliner super duper straight and it looks a little jagged. So by adding a matching eyeshadow on top, it actually smooths out the line that you've created on your eyelid, and it just makes it look nice and smooth and soft and not harsh. And you've got the extra added benefit of it giving your eyeliner longevity, and it keeps it from creasing and smudging all over your face. Just lightly rub in that eyeshadow all along your eyeliner until it looks nice and smooth and straight. Now, the next thing you can do for an even better looking eyeliner lash line is to take your eyeliner and to now pull up, and this kind of wigs some people out, but it does look good. Pull gently on your eyelid, and I want you to tight line. Tight lining is when you take your eyeliner and you go on the underside of the lash line, the fleshy part, and you actually line the underside of the lash line, and you get right in there so that you're covering up all of the fleshy part of underneath the eyelid. And so now your eyeliner just looks nice and deep and smooth, and there's no flesh showing through. So once you tight line that, now you don't need to add eyeshadow on that, you just tight line and go. Then if you want a little bit of eyeliner underneath, it's not necessary, but I figured I'd show it on this video here. You're just gonna take your eyeliner and do another short strokes underneath the lash line. I do not take the eyeliner all the way into the tear duct just for a more natural look. I stop it about 3/4 of the way over. Then I take my eyeliner brush, and without any extra shadow on it, I just go right over that eyeliner immediately before I go to the next eye, and I smudge it in until, again, it looks nice and soft. Then, if you need to take a Q-tip and clean up any fallout that you've got, that's what the Q-tips are there for. You can clean up the edges of the eye, and you can kind of pull up the eyeliner right there if you want it to kind of wing and flick out a little bit. Just take that Q-tip and just kind of go on the underneath side, and it works great. Then, you just finish your mascara, curl your eyelashes, pop on that mascara, and then your eyeliner is good to go. All right, well, that's it, y'all. Your basic eyeliner tips 101 class. I hope you found this video interesting. I hope you found it helpful. Hopefully you've got some new tips and tricks to try tomorrow when you're doing your eyeliner, and you'll think of me. And if you like this video, please hit that like button. And I would love for you to follow me on social media on all the other little places, Pinterest and Instagram, they're my favorites. Just follow me at JennySue Makeup. And I hope to see y'all in the next video. See you then, bye. Kinda looks like I know what I'm doing. This eyeliner, I mean, it ain't going anywhere. It's staying all day long. All day long. Boom. Boom. Done. Okay, bye. I'm like sweating. It's a long, it'll get easier. It will, eventually, I think. You still recording?